Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such. Again, I forgot to press the recording button. Anyway, so this is a cast stone paper sketchbook, and 2400 GSM is gram per square meter, so 200. This is relatively a heavy book, but it's quite thin. If watercolor 240 GSM, it's much thicker. And this is made of stone. And it is said that it is waterproof, made from recycled stone, 60% lower carbon footprint, friction-free paper, so it's very smooth. See? It's always flat. And there is, maybe this is plastic, the cover page. I do not know. But let's see, I have written something. And this is not a watercolor pencil. This is just an ordinary pencil. The pencil that I just got. This is the pencil, woodless pencil. Today is, see, this is not watercolor pencil. And if I use water, the paper is always flat. See, there is not any wrinkle on it. How fascinating. So next time I will try to use watercolor and see how it absorbs, how it moves. That's just so fascinating. Cast. Cast stone paper sketchbook. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Oh, this is also cast stone paper and pencil. Gosh, how did it become so fascinating, fascinating. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye-bye, friends. I love you, I really do. Do. Goodbye, bye.